Hello everyone. This video is especially for teachers, those who want to schedule meeting for two or more classes at one time. For this, I will go to Google Chrome and there in the address bar, you will type portal.office.com. As you can see, this is appearing here, portal.office.com. Click on that. After this type of screen will appear on your laptop or computer screen. Then go to calendars, directly calendars, and again this type of screen will appear. After this you will go to new event. Click on that. Let it process. Then this type of screen will appear. And in this, about every option you might be already knowing. But be careful about this option that is Teams meeting. Here you will click. And it should be kept on, means the icon should be looking blue. Then here you will add the title according to your subject. Because I want to take maths period, so I will write here maths. Then invite attendees. For this, I want to schedule this meeting for 7th A and 7th B. So I will write here 7th A. Click on that. This is appearing in the list, so I will click on that. Then 7D. I am typing 7th D and see in the list it is appearing automatically. I will click on that. Now, date you can select for which date you want to schedule. I want to schedule for 24th. Then timing 9:45 a.m. After this, end time, that is 10:20 a.m. Then about these options you might be knowing already, that is you want to repeat, you want to take day wise or weekly. Then location also you might be knowing about that. And directly coming to description, what I want to explain in the maths period. I want to explain how to find solution of given equation using transposition method. And after this, nothing else, just go to send and click on that and meeting will be scheduled. Thank you so much.